to thank Neena and Manish for opening our house and their house and hearts for us so that we can come here and celebrate this beautiful occasion. We'll start with Ashirwad from Auntie.
And my blessings are with both of you for a happy, long life.
With us. I'd like to thank our group of friends. I know Mom and Dad originally weren't going to celebrate this due to having my graduation this year and my dad's 50th birthday, but you guys insisted, so thank you very much for that. We thought for a very long time about what to say for this speech. Thought of many anecdotes, past events, funny things you guys have said and done over the past many years. But in the end, what really matters and needs to be said is thank you for everything. Mom and Dad, you're the best bank to have. Whenever we take a loan from you, we never have to pay it back. That is awesome. And more importantly, Dad, you've given me the tech, you've given Kriti the business.
Mom, you've given us all the niceness and a great singing voice. So thank you for everything. For the last 24 years, we know we weren't there for the first, but you've always supported us in everything we've done. When I wanted to live in LA, when I wanted to live in Germany, when I wanted to live in New York. I mean, you've always put on a smile, sort of, and come to visit. So thank you for everything. We don't say this enough, but we really love you. And you have the silver, now go for the gold.
Next we have Dance by Dolly.
चांदनी रात तारों की बारात है इनकी महफिल सजाने में क्या देर है क्या देर है धड़कने दिल की शहनाइयाँ बन गई अब तो साजन के आने में क्या देर है क्या देर है मेरी जिंदगी मेरा प्यार याद आ रहा है आने वाला है जो वो याद आ रहा है साजन साजन तेरी तुझको पुकारे आजा आकर मेरे हाथों में मेहंदी चूड़ी रचा साजन साजन तेरी तुझको पुकारे आजा आकर मेरे हाथों में मेहंदी चूड़ी रचा मुझे साजन के छन 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 पालकी में होके सवार चली रे मैं तो अपने साजन की द्वार चली रे पालकी में होके सवार चली रे मैं तो अपने साजन की द्वार चली रे कोई रोक के तो रोक ले मैं नाचती छन 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 पालकी में होके सवार चली रे मैं तो अपने साजन की द्वार चली रे पालकी में होके सवार चली रे मैं तो अपने साजन की द्वार चली रे पालकी में होके सवार चली रे मैं तो अपने साजन की द्वार चली रे
Malini Agarwal Silver Wedding Anniversary. Now 25 years of togetherness is an amazing feat and they deserve a celebration for their love and commitment to each other and their family. Please put your hands together and give them a big round of applause. Those who don't know me, I am Kajal Ambani, Malu's eldest cousin sister. We, the four sisters, Malu, Anju, Dolly, me and our brother, we were born and brought up in the same house in a very loving extended Ajwani family consisting of our grandparents, Malu's parents, late Shri N.G. Ajwani and Mrs. Rajni Ajwani, and my parents, my mom is here, Mrs. Meenu Ajwani, and Anju being the youngest was the baby of the house. And time flew so fast, Malu transformed from a child to a beautiful princess, doe-eyed, long black-haired maiden waiting for her Prince Charming. And then came her Prince Charming, Mr. Pankaj Agarwal, riding on a white horse. No, white Maruti. And in 1984, they met while working together for a private organization, CMC New Delhi. Malu had joined as a programmer trainee and Pankaj was working as a systems engineer. And Malu being so beautiful, Pankaj so handsome, a whirlwind romance was inevitable. But before proposing to her, Pankaj asked just one question. Are you ready to wait for me till I am established in my new business and my sister gets married? To which Malini replied, oh yes, my darling, anything for you. So Pankaj proposed to her in January 1985 and introduced her to his family on the day of his sister's wedding, stating, meet your future daughter-in-law, this is the girl I'm going to marry. Now, 25 years ago, an alliance between a Bania boy and a Sindhi girl was quite unheard of. But the saying goes, love conquers all, so their parents agreed and gave their blessings. But my uncle had one condition. They must get married before the end of the year 1987, before his retirement. And Pankaj, being such a smart guy, he chose the last Sunday of the last month of the year 1987. So they got married on 27 December 1987. And coincidentally, 27 December is our wedding day too. And
6 years back.
we completed 31 years.
In our family, there are 7 people, either their birthdays or their wedding anniversaries on
Coincide.
27th December.
Wow.
So this is a very special day for our family.
Thank you, Auntie. Thank you for putting this input. Okay, then in 1987, they were blessed with an angelic daughter, Kriti. Kriti, being the firstborn, was the apple of everyone's eye. Then in 1994 came along the much-awaited baby boy, Arav, completing the family. May God bless their family and may they live happily forever and ever and ever. Okay, now their love story. We are going to present a melody of songs depicting their love story.
शरबती तेरी आँखों की झील सी गहराई में शरबती तेरी आंखों की झील सी गहराई में मैं डूब डूब जाता हूँ।
ये लड़का हाय अल्लाह कैसा है दीवाना, कितना मुश्किल है तौबा इसको समझाना कि धीरे धीरे दिल बेकरार होता है, होते 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 प्यार होता है। ओ ये लड़का हाय अल्लाह कैसा है दीवाना।
हम तो तेरे आशिक हैं सदियों पुराने, हम तो तेरे आशिक हैं सदियों पुराने, चाहे तू माने चाहे न माने, चाहे तू माने चाहे न माने।
हम भी जमाने से हैं तेरे दीवाने, हम भी जमाने से हैं तेरे दीवाने, चाहे तू माने चाहे न माने, चाहे तू माने चाहे न माने।
मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, मेहंदी लगा के रखना, डोली सजा के रखना, लेने तुझे अगोरी आएंगे तेरे सजना।
सेहरा सजा के रखना, चेहरा छुपा के रखना, सेहरा सजा के रखना, चेहरा तुझ छुपा के रखना, ये दिल की बात अपने दिल में छुपा के रखना।
मेहंदी लगा के रखना, सेहरा सजा के रखना, हो तेरे घर आया मैं आया तुझको लेने, दिल के बदले में दिल का नजराना देने, मेरी हर धड़कन क्या बोले है सुन 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 सुन।
साजन जी घर आए, साजन जी घर आए, दुल्हन क्यों शर्माए, साजन जी घर आए।
Finally, you are married, so now.
मुबारक 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 हो तुमको ये शादी तुम्हारी, सदा खुश रहो ये दुआ है हमारी। मुबारक हो तुमको ये शादी तुम्हारी, सदा खुश रहो ये दुआ है तुम्हारी। मुबारक 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 मुबारक।
Secret deal.
You know, since yesterday, she's been telling me I have to go out for some time. She's been standing in the snow and practicing this speech, so that is a surprise for me, you know. She's not practicing in the house, but she was outside most of the time.
Thank you. That was a very beautiful speech, right from the heart, and a beautiful song. Next, I want to invite all the crazy friends of Malini and Pankaj who helped put this thing together and say a few words.
Hello Pankaj and Malini. How are you today? How do you feel after 25 years?
Same.
Well, Pankaj and Malini's family, we are friends for almost, I will say, from 1995, and it is like 18 years now. And their kids are of the same age as our kids, so we have a special bond, not only with their friends, I mean with Malini and Pankaj, but also with the kids. And I really appreciate their friendship, and that we came along and we met him, and also, I mean, it's a very good family. I mean, we really go along. We really go along with them, and we have made several trips together. And when you go with him, you don't have to worry about. Just tell him what time to wake up and meet somewhere in the lobby, and he will just drive the whole thing. So we have done several, 2 times probably. So, I mean, he is a very detail-oriented person.
Yeah, it doesn't go with me anymore.
So, I really congratulate you guys, for 25 years and many more years to come.
Thank you.
And we'll be here again for 50th. I mean, not 50th, but maybe 40th at least. So, yeah, we'll begin with 40th and then 50th. So with this, I will give mic to my other colleagues. Right here, the racquetball buddy.
कितनी पी ली है आपने आज?
What's the definition of a bad family now?
समई नमस्कार आदाब, मेरा नाम सत्य आर्य, मैं इन खूबसूरत मोहतरमा
सब कुछ सब जानते हैं.
आपने कितनी पी रखी है?
अरे ओके क्विकली, तो सब लोगों के साथ में जो है यही थीम आपको नज़र आएगा, फ्रेंडशिप, दोस्ती, और बहुत दूर दूर से लोग आए हैं तो आपका आने के लिए शुक्रिया. लेकिन हैरिसबर्ग में जो आप एक बार देखेंगे, बड़ी ख़ास बात है यहाँ पे कि यहाँ के जो लोग हैं उनके दिल बहुत बड़े बड़े हैं, और उनको कोई दिल की बीमारी नहीं है, लेकिन हम सब जो हैं बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं, और ख़ासकर से इंडिया से आने के बाद में ये जो दोस्त हैं यही फैमिली है. तो उसी के बाद में जो है 2 क्विक पॉइंट्स अबाउट फ्रेंडशिप कि फ्रेंड्स, उसके पहले जो है कि हम सब लोग वी आर डूइंग रिलेटिवली वेल. तो लेकिन लोग कहते हैं कि भाई अमीर कौन होता है, कि लोग अमीर होते हैं पैसों से, धन से, दौलत से, मर्सिडीज से, कहाँ आ रहा बेटा. लेकिन आई थिंक मेरे ख्याल से, आई थिंक somebody else was saying, maybe Chimli was saying some time ago, कि लोग जो हैं अमीर पैसे से नहीं होते, लोग अमीर दोस्तों से होते हैं. So I think like all of us here are blessed to have such wonderful friends. So please give yourself a big round of applause. One other quick thing about friendship. Friendship is not something that how many friends you have on Facebook, but someone who's not going to lead you, that's not a friend. Someone who's not going to follow you, that's perhaps your dog. But someone who's going to walk along with you, in my mind, that is a true friend. And I think that's what Pankaj and Malini are. They have been on these past lots of years, walking along the side with each and every one of us. Guys, thank you.
Thank you.
कोई माइक नहीं पकड़ रहा है तो हम बोल देते हैं. Pankaj and Malini, we wish you very, very happy 25th anniversary and many, many, many happy returns of the day. Pankaj और Malini को I think हम जब पहले आए थे तब से जानते हैं. And over time, first one, yes.
First person.
That's right. And over time we have become very good friends. ऐसा कहा जाता है कि friends are the family you find along the way, and you are one of us. Our family member. पंकज के साथ हमने काफ़ी सारे टेक्निकल डिस्कशन बहुत किए हैं. हालांकि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का बंदा है, लेकिन शायद रजिस्टर का कौन सा हिस्सा किधर जाता है पता नहीं होगा. तो ऐसे हमारे काफ़ी समय हमने साथ में बिताए हैं. Thank you for being our friends, and we really wish you very happy marriage anniversary.
And my daughter Shifali, she looks at Kriti like she adores her, and she's like a big sister to her. So, and many, many happy returns of the day to both of you from bottom of our heart. Thank you.
Oh, by the way, all these arrangements is Kriti's idea.
It's an inside joke. Don't texting me we were texting, and you know she was giving us the ideas. Yeah.
Our whole house is organized by her. This is nothing.
मेरे को बोलना तो बहुत कुछ था लेकिन मैंने पी ज़्यादा रखी है. See, I'm being frank, sir. Malini and Pankaj, I think we are the last friends that we actually came to know Malini and Pankaj. I'm getting there. Actually शुरू में पंकज से पूछा गया था कि हस्बैंड की डेफिनेशन क्या होती है, मतलब इस हाउस की डेफिनेशन क्या होती है, तो इसने बोला कि लव. तो उस पर मेरे को कुछ याद आया कि जो तुमको हो पसंद वही बात कहेंगे.
क्या बात है?
तुम दिन को अगर कहो रात तो रात कहेंगे. पागलों से बहस थोड़ी की जाती है. Jokes. Well, there definitely be dessert from because I made it. So,
You already had it.
I already had it. There you go. I read someplace a wife is like a tea bag. You really do not know how strong she is until you boil it in hot water. So the marriage and love is the same way, provided that you save the same tea bag, right? So I mean, the marriage is basically until
It's a tea bag, right?
no. I mean, the more you boil, the stronger it gets. I mean, that's the point. And 25 years, then it'll be 50 years and 75. And the bottom of all of our, hearts, wish you 25th. Gupta ji bol rahe the, make sure I add wedding. 25th wedding anniversary. So, and I know Manisha did say thank to Nina and Manish, but I must say that this was their initiative, to put all this together, along with Kriti's idea. So, and Aurav, of course. So, thank you everyone for coming, and
The host.
And the host have to say 2 words. I mean, at least 2 words. Come on.
Say thank you.
माइक छोड़ेगा तो बोलेंगे ना.
Well, I just want to congratulate both of you, and rest is history.
Thank you.
बोलो यार मनीष बाबू बोलो 2 शब्द.
Happy wedding anniversary.
आगे में 2 शब्द ही बोले यार.
All right, Manisha, you want to what's
बैठ जाओ वापस जाके.
हाँ, I know.
बहुत
I
टीम
think
है.
Auntie wants to say thanks.
Okay.
आंटी आ जाओ. चलो आ जाओ.
नहीं तुम्हें यहीं पे
I would like to thank Malini and Pankaj friends for organizing this special day for them. Thank you to Nina for hosting the event in her lovely home. So we are grateful to all of you. Thank you.
आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई. आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर तुझे अपना माना सनम, हर जन्म मैं तुझे अपना माना सनम। आज कैसे मेरे प्यार के चलते हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
तेरा फूलों जैसा रंग, तेरे शीशे जैसे अंग, पड़ी जैसे ही नजर में तो रह गया दंग।
आते जाते करे तंग, तेरे अच्छे नहीं ढंग, मैं तो करूंगी सगाई किसी दूसरे के संग।
हो मेरे होते कोई और करे तेरे बारे और, हो मेरे होते कोई और करे तेरे बारे और, ये न होगा किसी तौर चाहे चले छुरिया, ये न होगा किसी तौर चाहे चले छुरिया।
दिल आने की बात है और हर बात तेरी हो, तेरी हो, तेरी
Gangnam Style, Gangnam Style. 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자, 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자, 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자, 그런 반전 있는 여자. 나는 선호해, 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그 선호해, 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선호해, 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선호해, 그런 선호해.
Mic.
Hello.